Hey guys, BZ249 again, and today, you guys remember Super Mario Bros? Oh, these are true official Super Mario Bros. Free cards. So yeah. Hey, it came in this plastic package, so you can literally see everything. So, yeah, I did not buy these off of eBay, by the way, or like any other places. I actually straight up got these for like my Super Mario Bros. Free game, if I'd rather say so. Okay, so the first one we have here is this one, and this is what it shows. I'm not sure what that says. Level card. Wild ride in the sky. Take a wild ride in the sky. Think of you kidnap all the coins. If Bullet Bill has anything to say about it. Okay. Difficulty level 3. Okay, cool. Nice. So that's that. Next, okay, last one, I don't know how that happened, is Super Leaf. Use the Super Leaf to turn Mario into Raccoon Mario. With that tail, Raccoon Mario can attack enemies or fly high into the sky. I think I maybe like lost the card, because this is number 1. And this is, never mind. Anyways, these are super cool cards. I'm actually gonna keep these. These are super cool. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed these too. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, so make sure please subscribe. Peace out.